is here. I release the sound of the heavens, the sound of creation. Yahweh is here. I release the sound of the heavens, the sound of creation. Yahweh is here. I release the sound of the heavens, sound of creation. Yahweh is here. Yahweh, Yahweh. Hey, hey, Yahweh, Yahweh. The Lord is saying to you today, you who have been faithful in little, He is rejoicing over you with singing, because your reward is great. Your reward is great. And so I release over you the sound of breakthrough, the sound of victory. Rejoicing will be heard within your walls again. It will be heard within your walls. Rejoicing will be heard within your walls again. Hey, Mashataya Lako. Hey, la 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 la. I release the sound of the heavens, the sound of creation. Yahweh is here. I release the sound of the heavens, the sound of creation. Yeshua is here. Yeah, yeah, yeah.